I'm Robert Brown, and I'm a carpenter here at Shaker Village, and we're doing some epoxy work today. We're using epoxy made by Advanced Repair Technologies out of New York. This particular product is called, what is it? Flex something. Flex Tech. And we're using blocks. They're actually made out of another part of the building, original part of the building, an old sill that couldn't be saved. So now it's getting new life in this sill. We try not to use a huge amount of epoxy anyway for repairs. Too many times epoxies are just used as a go-to to kind of excuse that somebody really doesn't know how to do repairs. And so they get overused, so we try to be really careful about not falling into that trap. This particular product I actually found on this old house. I've been pleased with it for several different reasons. One, just like here, I can work on the bottom of this with this product and it stays in place. Most of them would fall right off. This also has a, if you can see this here, this is a primer that goes on beforehand. It's called Prometate. What I like about it, instead of it being a consolidant, it's an actual primer which helps draw this material into the wood fibers. And as the name kind of implies, this stays a little bit flexible. Even though I can sand it, I can mold profiles into it, do a lot of different things with this product that I couldn't with a lot of the others. It is kind of on the expensive side, so again, we're not trying to overuse it anyway. I'm going to apply this piece of plexiglass because this product won't adhere to this. So I can make different forms and different profiles that I need just by using the plexiglass. And that'll hold everything right in place where I need it. Finish some spots right here. Now this product, the reason we're using it, this is an original sill. So this window sill is almost 200 years old. It's made out of poplar, which if we use modern poplar, I wouldn't expect to get a year or two out of this. We're able to save this old sill without having to make major cuts in it and do what's this is somewhat of what they would refer to as a Dutchman, but without this product it would have to be, my cuts would have to be a lot more precise. You would have to use a type of exterior wood glue, which sometimes that's iffy, and wood moves, so you've got on a small glue joint, you really don't have much room for the two different woods to move together without cracking. So far, this product has seemed to have that flexibility to it so that we don't end up with all these repair shadows and it looks like what it should. Now, it's going to take that about a day to cure. In this weather, as the weather gets colder, it'll go to a day, day and a half, sometimes even 2, depending on the temperature. And at that time, we can sand it, see if we need to do a recoat on it, any part of it, and hopefully that'll have this seal back in place, be ready to prime, ready to go.